Hi everyone and welcome back to Depicter. In the previous video, you learned how to create this beautiful video background section. Today you're going to learn how to create this charming hero section slider that is also interactive. It's pretty simple thanks to Depicter. Let's get going. In the WordPress dashboard, head over to Plugins, click on Add New and search for Depicter. There it is, install and activate it. Now go to Depicter, click Create a Blank and select Hero Section. Next, choose the full screen layout and hit Create Slider. Go to Videos, add a video, and with it selected, right-click and choose the Set a Slider Background option. Add a ready-made text style from the combination styles. Edit it by changing the text, the font, and the size, and so on. Add a button and edit it. Change the text and customize its appearance, then enable the hover styles and customize again. Now I'm adding a follow us text, then social media icons right below it. Next, by clicking this button right here, add a new slide. I'm adding a different video to this one. Set it as background. Now, just like with the previous slide, I'm adding some text and a few other elements to elevate its appearance. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more content like this. Enable this on both slides so that it will go to the next slide at the end of the video. I'll enable this one as well. Remember, you want your slider to be interactive with a clickable thumbnail. Here's how. Go to Stock Photos and look for a suitable image. Drag and drop it. Edit the image. Set the width and height to be the same amount so that we'd have a square image. Then resize it. With it selected, increase the corner radius. Nice. It would be good to have a text that indicates the next slide, so add one. I'll just write coffee beans. Edit it. The text can hardly be seen. To fix that, all you have to do is set an inset box shadow for it from here. Okay, that's much better. Now select the image again. We're trying to make the image clickable so that when you click on it, you're taken to the next slide. So head to Action, choose the Go to Slide action type and add action. Edit the new action and choose Previous Slide. Almost done. Go to Hover, enable Hover Styles. I'll increase the scale a bit. Done with editing, right-click on the image and copy. Go to the previous slide and just right-click and paste the element here. With the image selected, go to Stock Photos. Look for an image to indicate the other slide and just drag and drop it on this one. This way, you'll replace the image exactly as it is. The only thing you have to do now is go to Action and change this one to Next Slide. Now copy the text, paste it on this one, and just edit the text. All done here. Let's preview. Alright, as you can see, when I click on this image, it goes to the previous slide and vice versa. Let's fast forward here to the end of the background video and see if the slide will change because of this option that I enabled. And yep, as expected, it works just fine. Alright, let's publish and add the slider to the website. In Elementor editor, I'm just gonna delete this container and add a new one instead. Then add the Depicter widget to it and choose the hero section that you just created. With the section selected, I'll adjust the positioning by giving it a negative margin so it aligns perfectly with the header. And that's it. Publish. Let's check out the result. The website looks awesome now thanks to this cool hero section. Before you go, claim this free coupon to get Depicter Pro. Make sure to leave a comment below letting everyone know you've claimed it because otherwise the Pro version will vanish from your account. Alright, that's it everyone. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. See you soon.